This is our rainbow star pearl cage. It is accented with crystals. This is designed by our artist RJS, so you can see on the back that it is stamped RJS. That is our artist mark. I am going to open an Akoya Oyster so we can get a beautiful pearl to put inside this pearl cage. This is my Akoya Oyster. I'm going to put gloves on. Please remember, when you open oysters, you should always wear gloves. They are preserved in chemicals. Alright. I am going to use the classic scissor method to open this oyster. I'm just going to cut around the edge. And put the scissors in a little to pop it open. Let's see, I got a little, use a little muscle, pop it open. There, oh shoot, I just popped it all over the kitchen. Let's see. Ugh. And where is the pearl? There it is. Oh, look how pretty that is. That is, the luster is amazing, and you can see it has some peach overtones. Beautiful. Let me put that, I just put it in a little bowl of water to rinse it off. Let me throw away this garbage. The orient is so beautiful on this. Amazing. Alright, let me dry it off. And then we're going to open our pearl cage. There we go. Put the pearl right there. It nestles in the basket perfectly. Close it up. Look how beautiful. It's centered perfectly in that star. This is one of my favorite cages. It definitely shows off the pearl perfectly. If you're interested in a pearl cage like this, I will have a link down below, and I will also have a link for our Akoya Oyster take-home kits if you'd like to open an oyster at home. Thanks for watching.